Everybody ready? Today we are going to do tool practice. Am I audible clearly? Because I'm not near the laptop actually. So
you are audible, ma'am.
this is my tool. I hope you are having the same tool. See, even I have 5 dots on my tool. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Can you see? Say yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
And I want to see video.
Yes, ma'am.
Everybody, Hardik, Sanvika, Modita, everybody start your video. I want to see you practicing with me. Because last time, what did I observe? Purvika, you are attending the class for the first time. Yes? So you have to go through the videos, okay? Otherwise, you will say, ma'am, I'm not getting anything. So first, watch all the videos, okay? And then you can work with us. So now, from where we start our work? From where we start our work? I want to hear.
Point. Center
The
center dot.
Yeah, center dot or center dot. Great. So where is my center dot? Is it here?
No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
Here?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
So from this rod, I will start doing my work. Okay. So here, which hand do we use on left on tool? Which hand do we use?
Left hand.
Left hand. So this is my left hand. See,
ma'am.
I'm in your direction. This is my left hand. Okay. So now let's start work. For lower bead, thumb. One bead up with the thumb. One bead up with the thumb. Okay. Now, if you want to remove the bead with the index finger, remove it. Do it with me. Make 2 with thumb. With thumb, make 2. Remove 2 with index finger. Good. Make 3 with thumb. With this thumb. Remove 3 with index finger. Make 4 with thumb only. Remove 4 with index finger. Is it now clearly visible? Visible?
Yes.
Again, do the same thing. 1, remove 1. 2, remove 2. 3, remove 3. 4, remove 4. Do it. Do this thing again. Keep doing it. Make 1 with thumb. Remove 1, index finger. Make 2, thumb. Remove 2, index finger. Make 3, thumb. Remove 3, index finger. Make 4, thumb. Remove 4, index finger. Use left hand on the tool. Vikas, which hand you are using? Is it your left hand?
Yes, it's my left hand.
Okay. Very good. So this is my left hand and I'm in your direction. So your hand should be on this side. Okay. Just a second. Just a second now.
Ma'am, you're muted. Mute, ma'am, you're on mute.
Sorry, I forgot that I'm on mute. Okay. Now let's do again. 1 with thumb. Remove 1 with index finger. 2 with thumb. Remove 2 with index finger. 3 with thumb. Remove 3 with index finger. 4 with thumb. Remove 4 with index finger. Now how to make 5? We have to bring it down with index finger only. We have to bring down with index finger only. Now remove with index finger only. I'm not using my thumb on this upper bead. I'm using only index finger. Down. See? Do it. Do it with me. Bring it down, remove. Bring it down, remove. Bring it down, remove. Do it. Do it for 5 times. Bring it down, remove. 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 And for speed practice also, we would be doing same thing. Now, 6. I told you how to make 6. Pinch in. See, for you can use only 2 fingers, thumb and index finger. But my tool is bigger now, so and beads are very tight. So I need to use more than 2 fingers. And remove, pinch out. Okay, pinch out, remove, pinch in, bring the beads. Okay, see again. Pinch in. 6. Pinch out. 7. Again pinch in 6. Pinch out 7. Okay. Sorry, 6. It is 6. Now how to make 7? Again pinch out. Pinch in. 2 beads from lower side, 1 from upper side. Pinch in. This is your 7. Pinch out. Remove 7. Make 8. Pinch in. 8. Pinch in. Remove 8. Pinch out. 9. Pinch in. Remove 9. Pinch out. You have to do pinch out on your tool because beads move very easily. Right? My beads are very tight. That is why I'm doing it like this. But you will use pinch in, pinch out. Pinch in, pinch out. Okay? Now let's start doing question. 2 thumb plus 2 thumb minus 3 index finger. What's the answer?
1.
Very good. Correct answer.
1.
Excellent. 1. So keep yourself on unmute and you keep telling me answer. And you have to keep in mind about the finger movement. Okay. Let's start. 1 plus 1 plus 2 minus 1. Answer.
3.
What I do when I do tool practice now, when I'm not doing question on, I'm not doing question with book. When I'm doing tool practice, I keep my right hand at the back and I use only left hand so that I will not get confused. Ready? Okay. 2 plus 2 minus 1 minus 2 plus 5. Answer.
6.
Correct answer. Correct answer. Correct answer. Next. 3 plus 5 minus 6. Minus 6 pinch out. 1 from lower side, 1 from upper side. Like this. Answer.
2.
Correct. Next. 2 plus 2 minus 1 plus 5 minus 1. Answer. Very good. Be clear. Next question. 6 plus 2 plus 1 minus 7. Pinch out. You have to do pinch out for minus 7. 2 from lower side, 1 from upper side. Answer.
2.
Okay, again. 1 plus 6 plus 2 minus 1 minus 5. Answer.
3.
Correct. Very good. Okay. 2 plus 1 plus 1 plus 5 minus 3. Answer.
6.
Correct. Very good. 1 plus 7 plus 1 minus minus 3. Answer. Very good. Purvika, I know you are not getting anything today, but once you will watch all the videos now, you will come to know everything, okay? And you will understand that what we are doing, okay? So promise me, you will watch all the videos, okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Great. Okay, now remove all the beads.
Ma'am,
Yes.
this time can we send in chat box because I'm not able to tell.
You are not able to tell, no problem. You should get the correct answer, okay? And you can write in chat box, but it will consume time. Okay?
Okay.
Yeah. Again, let's start. 3 plus 6 minus 7. Answer. Okay. Next. Excellent. Next. 1 plus 8 minus 1 minus 2. Answer.
6, ma'am. 6.
Correct answer. Very good. Next. 3 plus 6 minus 4 minus 5. Answer. Very good. You are getting correct answer. Excellent. Okay, next question. 3 plus 6 minus 7 plus 1 plus 5 plus 1 minus 8. Answer.
One, ma'am.
But I got 6 also. Somebody said 6. Who said 6?
Me, ma'am.
No, answer is
What?
1. Okay.
Ma'am,
Yes.
7.
You are getting 7?
Yes, ma'am.
Then your answer is wrong. Okay. Let's do another question. 2 plus 6 plus 1 minus 5 minus 2. Answer. Who said 4? 2. Very good. Correct answer. Next. 3 plus 1 plus 5 minus 7. In the same 2 plus 2.
4, ma'am.
Plus 5.
9, ma'am.
9. Good. Beats clear.
0, ma'am.
Okay. Now 1 plus 1 plus 2 minus 3 plus 5 plus 1 plus 2 minus 3. Answer.
6.
Very good. Correct answer. Okay. 7 plus 2 minus 6 minus 2 plus 2. Answer.
Ma'am,
3.
3, ma'am. 3.
Correct answer. Correct. Very good. Beats clear? Okay. 7 plus 2 minus 3 minus 5 plus 2. Answer.
3.
Today I'm going to tell you double digit number, how to make double digit number, okay? And we'll do small questions also. So if I say make 32, so see, this is my 1st rod now. The first rod is 1st rod. The second rod is tens rod. Okay, ones, tens. So the way we write the number, in the same way we make the number. Okay, so 32. So 3 on tens rod, 2 on ones rod. This is 3, 2, 32. Make 32, everybody. Make 32. That excellent. 32. Okay, from 32 minus 2. So see, this is one rod now. So from one rod you will subtract 2. I subtracted 2. What is the answer now? Yes, answer is 30.
30.
Okay, now make 43.
43.
43.
Ma'am.
Very good. From 43 minus 2.
Ma'am, 41.
Very good. Very good. Okay. Clear the beads. Okay. 23. 23. From 23 minus 2. Answer.
21.
Very good. Very good. Clear the beads. Next question. 7. Plus 2. Answer.
77.
59. Who said 77?
Ma'am,
Yes, see, 5 and this is 9. 5, 9, 59. Okay, now I think you have some problem in reading the numbers. Let's start making with 1. What is this?
One.
What is this? Now, now,
Five. 6, ma'am.
6. What is this?
7, ma'am.
What is this?
8.
What is this?
9.
Okay, now what is this?
10.
Very good. Now what is this?
11.
11. 1, 2,
12.
1, 3,
13.
4,
14.
1, 5.
15.
Making numbers. You make number on your tool also. Okay. Yeah. Okay. 1, 6.
16.
1, 7.
17.
1, 8.
18.
1, 9.
19.
Now what is this? 2, 2, 0, 20. 2, 1. 2, 3. 2, 4. 2, 5. 2, 6. 2, 7. 7. 2, 8. Purvika, I think you know how to make numbers on tool now.
Yes,
Purvika, you know? Very
Yes,
good.
ma'am.
Now you will easily understand how to add subtract. Okay, what is this?
28.
Correct, Shrimeda. 2, 9.
29.
Okay. 3, 0. 3, 1. 3, 2. 3, 3, 4. 3, 5. Now, very good. And now, nine. Okay. Now, what is it? So, 40. What is it? 41. What is this? 42. Okay. Now what is this? 43. Now what is this? 44. Okay. Now what is this? 45.
47.
Now we have done enough practice. Now it's time to do some oral questions. Okay, just give.
Amen.
You are on mute.
So now let's start oral questions. Okay. So you know how to do oral question. Take abacus position, everybody. Take abacus position. Eyes closed. On left hand, make like this. I just want to, ready? Great. So 2 plus 2 minus 3 plus 1 plus 5. Answer.
7.
7 is the correct answer. 7 is the correct answer. Very good. Okay, ready again?
7.
Yes. Very good. Okay. Now let's do again. 7 plus 2 minus 3 plus 1. Answer.
7.
Very good. You don't have to do one tool. We have to do visualization. Okay. So with your brain. Arush, don't do one tool. Yes. Ready? Okay. So next question. Take abacus position. Close your eyes, everybody. Okay. 3 plus 1 plus 5 minus 2 minus 5. Answer?
2.
2. Very good. Correct. Next question. Ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Let's start. 1 plus 1 plus 5 plus 2 minus 5. Answer?
4.
Answer is 4. Very good. Correct answer. Okay. Next question. Ready? Ready for the next question? Okay. 7 plus 2 minus 5 minus 1 again minus 1. Answer?
2.
Great. Correct answer. Very nice. Okay, next question. Ready for the next question? Take abacus position, everybody. Okay. So 6 plus 3 minus 5 minus 1. Answer?
3.
You all are genius. You all are genius. You are getting correct answer. Very good. Okay. Now today I'm going to teach you one new thing, right? And you have to learn it. Okay. You have to learn it carefully, right? So today I'm going to share you one thing. See, if we do one question like 2 plus 2, okay, I'm sharing my tool. Okay. Because on the bigger one, na, then I will not be able to write. Just a second. Huh? So I got it. And now I will share my tool.
ప్లీజ్ మాట్లాడదు దయచేసి క్లాస్ జరిగేటప్పుడు మాట్లాడుకో.
Okay. Can you see my tool?
Yes, ma'am.
That's great. Okay. So today I'm going to tell you one thing. Suppose now keep yourself on mute. Now everybody mute. Yes. Now listen to me very carefully. Okay. Suppose I'm doing a question 2 plus 2 now plus 1. But for adding 1, we don't have sufficient bead. My lower beads are occupied. I have used all the beads. Okay. So now how to add 1? We don't have bead. So we should not add 1. We
Ma'am.
can you see this upper bead? Wait, keep yourself on mute. Let me make you understand everything. So we have this upper bead. The value of the upper bead is 5 and which is free and available to use. So suppose sometimes you don't have pencil. You are in your class. What do? You borrow na. You take it from your friend. We help each other na. In the same way, numbers are also having their friends and they help each other. Okay. So we take help of 5, right? So how to add 1? 5 says, I will help you, but you need to remove friend of 1. So now who is the friend of 1? Okay, now I'm telling you about the friends. If I make 1, how many fingers are folded here? Don't consider it as 5. Consider it as a finger. If I make 1, how many fingers are there? Folded. 4. The friend of 1 is 4. Okay. If I make 2, how many fingers are folded? 3. Okay. So the friend of 1 is 4 and the friend of 2 is 3. If I make 3, how many fingers are folded here?
2.
So friend of 3 is 2. If I make 4 here, how many fingers folded?
1.
So the friend of 4 is 1. Okay. You are clear with the friends? Friend of 1 is 4. Friend of 2 is 3. Friend of 3 is 2. Friend of 4 is 1. Now 5 is saying, I will help you to add 1, but you have to remove the friend of 1. So who is the friend of 1? 4. So 5 is coming to help me. I will bring down 5 and I will remove the friend of 1. And see, that's how I have added 1. So what is my answer? My answer is 5. Let's do again. Okay. 2 plus 1 plus 1 again plus 1. So what 5 is saying? How can we add 1? Bring 5 down and remove the friend of 1. That is 4. So what is my answer? My answer is 5. 4 times. Let's do one more time. 1 plus 3 plus 1. What will you do? Bring 5 down, remove 4. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
So what is the answer? 5. Yes. Now open your copy and write whatever I'm telling you. And you have to write these compliments every day. Okay. So put the heading 5's complement. Okay. Here it is E in the complements. COMPLEMENTS. Are you getting my handwriting or is it very bad?
It's good, ma'am.
Thank you. Okay, so we have learned friends already. Who is the friend of 1? Friend of 1 is 4. Who is the friend of 2?
3.
3. Who is the friend of 3?
Write the heading
Two.
here. 2.
Put the heading, don't worry. And 4's friend is 1.
1.
So now what did I tell you? I said if you have to add 1, what we did? Okay, now tell me one thing. If I bring this beat down, that means I'm adding it. So plus 5, if we bring down 5, that means plus 5. And if I remove, this was like this, now if I remove 4 beats, that means minus 4. So plus 1 is equals to plus 5 minus 4. Speak with me. Plus 5 minus 4.
Plus 5 minus 4.
Plus 1 is equals to plus 5 minus 4. In the same way, if we go for plus 2, who is the friend of 2? 3. So plus 5 minus 3. When we'll do tool practice, now it will be clear. It will be clear to you, okay? Now for plus 3. Plus 5 minus 2. For plus 4. Plus 5 minus 1. By heart, it should be in your mind, okay? So you have to learn all these complements. I'll be giving you sheet of complements, okay? So that you can practice. So you have to speak with me. Plus 1 is equals to plus 5 minus 4. Plus 2 is equals to plus 5 minus 3. Plus 3 is equals to plus 5 minus 2. Plus 4 is equals to plus 5 minus 1. Okay?
Okay.
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 Okay. Have you written, all of you?
No.
Write it fast.
No,
Write it
ma'am.
fast. Write it fast.
I cannot understand the like plus 1.
We'll do that. We'll do that. Don't worry. Don't worry. We'll do that. On tool, when you start now, you will get it.
Am I writing in my printout?
You're writing. Yeah. You can write there. No problem. Have you written it, Angel?
Yes,
No, ma'am. No,
Okay.
ma'am.
Write fast. Write fast. I'm waiting for you. Very good, Adviga. Good.
I'm done, ma'am.
Good.
Ma'am, done.
Great.
Ma'am, when we will start the 19th page?
We'll tell you. Don't worry.
Okay, ma'am.
Very good, Sanvika. Very good. Those who have not written, write it fast.
Ma'am, are we going to write like plus 5 also?
Minus 4. This is how you have to
Done,
write.
ma'am.
Plus 1 is equals to plus 5 minus 4. Plus 2 is equals to plus 5 minus 3. Okay.
No, ma'am, like plus 5 equals plus one
Yeah,
number,
you have to
right?
write this sign equal.
No, I mean like 1 minus 1's friend is 4 and
Yeah,
2's friend
one's
is
friend
3.
is 4,
So
two's
are we
friend is
going to
3.
learn whose friend, what
Yes,
what
you
a
have to learn the
five's
friend
friend is?
also. You have
What
to learn the
what is
friends also.
five's friend? What,
We'll tell you later this thing. Okay? Yeah.
ma'am,
We'll
I
do
have a
step by step
question.
now.
Ma'am,
Hmm?
what is the friend of 5?
We'll tell you this thing later on, okay? Because we'll move step by steps now. So right now you have to learn friend of 1 to 4. After that you will learn friend of 5 also. You will learn friend of 6, 7, 8, 9. Everything you will learn. Don't worry. But if I'll tell you each and everything together now, you will say, ma'am, I don't want to learn. It is very difficult. That's why we are going to learn it step by step, okay?
Okay.
Yes. So all of you have you written?
Yes, ma'am.
Very
Yes,
good.
ma'am.
So shall I stop sharing my screen?
Yes. Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am, you can.
So now I will share my tool, okay? Now let's start doing questions. Just a second, I'm sharing it. Can you see my tool?
Yeah.
Okay, make one.
Do this on tool.
What?
We should do this on tool.
Yeah, now you start doing question with me on tool, okay?
Ma'am,
Okay, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, should we do the question and write the answer in the
No,
copy?
not answer. We are doing tool practice only today. Na? We are just doing tool practice. I will
Ma'am.
share question with you. Don't worry. Yes.
ma'am, ma'am, at last we can do eye test.
Wait. Who was asking for the washroom?
Me, Angel.
Ma'am,
Yeah.
washroom.
Anjal, go first. Now next. Who was saying?
Ma'am, I'm saying, ma'am, at the last, ma'am, we can do eye test.
Eye test.
Yes, ma'am, with abacus.
Which test?
Ma'am, eyes.
I didn't get you.
Oh, ma'am, he was
Visualization.
saying that with closing his eyes, he want to do the abacus.
Visualization like this.
No,
Yes.
ma'am, eye test.
I'm still not getting your point.
Ma'am, he's
telling that we can I do with brain abacus.
Brain abacus.
Yes, ma'am. In brain
Yes, we'll do. Don't worry. And keep your video on. When you switch off your video, na, I don't get it properly. Okay. So now let's start. So I hope you are able to see my screen. Okay. I'm just waiting for the angel. Okay, let's do one question. She is coming. 1 plus 2 plus 1 again plus 1 plus 5 minus 4. What is the answer?
5.
Okay, Angel, do it with me. Angel, do it with me. 3 plus 1.
Plus 1.
Now you have to add 1. So there's no bead now. What will you do? You will bring 5. That means plus 5. If we bring 5 down, that means plus 5. Now minus 4. That means removing 4. Right? So what is the answer?
5.
Did you get it?
Yes.
Okay. And now we'll practice only plus 1. Okay. We'll do plus 2 later on. First, only plus 1. Okay. Now 3 plus 5 plus 1 minus 5 plus 1 plus 5 minus 4.
5.
5.
Correct answer. Clear the beads. Okay. 3 plus 1 plus 5 minus 2 minus 1 minus 5 plus 3 plus 1 plus 5 minus 4. This is okay. One more thing. Whenever you apply any complement na, like plus 5 minus 4, you have to speak. Like I'm speaking now, plus 5 minus 4. In the same way, you have to speak. Okay. Clear the beads. 2 plus 7 minus 5 plus 1 plus 5 minus 4. Okay.
5.
That is 5. Great. Now, let's do some oral question again. Ready?
Okay, ma'am.
Everybody take abacus position. Ready? Okay, I'm also doing with you. 3. Advika, on hand you have to do. Don't use tool. Mental calculation. 3 plus 1 minus 2 plus 5 minus 1. Answer?
6.
Srimedha, you have to imagine the beads, okay? Close your eyes and imagine center rod in front of your eyes. Don't do this. 6, 7. Don't do this, okay? Because when I will say make 32 minus 2, how will you do? Okay? So, try to imagine the beads, okay? And this is going to help you in your studies also, right? Okay. Again, eyes closed, everybody. I'm observing you. 4 minus 2 minus 1 plus 3. Answer?
4.
4. Because, but I cannot see your finger movements. I can see you, you are sitting like this, and I don't know how you are doing your questions. I want to see your finger like this. Okay?
No, ma'am, I'm not doing like this. I'm moving the only back a stool in the mind only.
Yeah, when you move your beads in mind, na, move your finger also.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay? Because it will help you to increase your speed. That is why I always say, take abacus position like this, and then you start moving beads. This will help you. When you move your finger, na, this is going to help you. This will make your question easy. Okay. Let's do one more question.
Ma'am,
Yes, Srimedha, tell me.
do we have to use our brain or do we have to use our hands?
Both the things. See, I'm using, I can imagine beads in front of my eyes. Okay. I can see the single rod on which black dot is there. Now,
Okay.
but if the tool is in front of you, how will you move the beads? So you just imagine that tool is in front of you, and with the help of finger, you are moving beads. Okay. So 3 plus 1 plus 5 minus 2 minus 5. So you can see that there are 2 beads in front of your eyes. So answer is, this is how you have to imagine the beads, and you have to move those beads with the help of your fingers. Okay. Now,
Okay,
did you
ma'am.
get it? Did you
Yes,
get it?
ma'am, I got it.
Okay. So let's do one more question. Okay. 4 plus 5 minus 3 plus 1 plus 1 minus 5. Answer.
3.
Ma'am,
3. Very good. You all are getting correct answer. Very good.